Let's take a look at installing your brand new Bushwacker TrailArmor Fastback top. This top is made for 2007 to 2018 Jeep JK Wranglers. Make sure to follow along in your instruction manual to stay on top of small steps we recommend. Let's get started. Quick tip: lay out the top in warm weather so it can be stretched out during installation. Assemble the door surround by inserting the rear extrusion bar into the main upper horizontal part. Use a screw to tighten the plastic piece. Install the rear bracket top at the rear end of the extrusion bar. Line up the holes, but don't insert the screws. Insert the corner plastic into the rear extrusion. Now use the 3 screws to tighten the corner into the rear bracket. Tighten the screws on the other side as well. Insert the end of the plastic corner into the vertical extrusion. Use the turn knob screw and tighten. Place the door surround onto the Jeep. Fit the bottom base pin into the hole near the door latch. Make sure the bracket fits over the sports bar. Make sure seals and rubber pieces are securely in place. Place the driver's side mount plate on top over the roll bar. Use the small turn knob screw to tighten it. Use a Torx T225 bit to remove the frontman loop from each side of the windshields. Install the provided latches using the same screws. Secure the flip-top tube to the Softtop main deck. Use the hook and loop flaps. Have someone help you place it on the Jeep. Install the shoulder bolts from the outside of each Softtop header assembly knuckle and tighten each bolt with a lock nut. 4 total areas. Unfold the top towards the rear of the vehicle. Wrap and secure the 2 straps over the middle bar and use the hooks to hold them in place. Make sure to pull tight on the retention strap. Pull it under the seat belt. Wrap the strap around the roll bar and fasten through the buckle. Repeat on the other side. Insert the black plastic corner into the sleeve pocket inside your rear window piece. Install the windows by first zipping the top sections. Follow the chart in your manual to securely tighten all in order. Secure the rear window to the main cover. Use the straps and place them in the buckles. Do not fully tighten the buckles yet. Place the clamp on and push it down to secure a connection. Now slide the tailgate bar onto the bottom of the rear window using the C channel guide, and insert the tailgater bar into the brackets and push to secure. Fasten all straps. Make sure all corners are secure by thoroughly checking. Inside, make sure to install the puddle poles into the ceiling. Time to enjoy the top. Great work, and thanks for choosing Bushwacker. Please reach out to us for any assistance with our products.